On scene 1102 Salem on a domestic complaint. Might be a boyfriend, girlfriend. There's somebody over there standing right there. Yeah, these hide back here.
She's like, while on the phone with the police department, she was like, "Oh, who do you think they believe? The police? Because I have a busted lip and a knot on my head."
Dayton Police.
Look at my face. Look at hers. Look at hers.
On January 25th, 2023, Dayton Police Department officers responded to a domestic disturbance call in Ohio. A female subject was arrested on 4 counts: assault, resisting arrest, obstructing official business, and failure to disclose personal information. If convicted on all counts, she faces up to 1 year and 25 days in jail and fines totaling $2,750. The central legal question is not whether the arrest occurred. It did, and it was lawful. The question is how each party's conduct measures against the applicable legal standards. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2935.03, when an officer has reasonable cause to believe a domestic violence offense occurred within the previous 24 hours, and the offender is present, arrest is mandatory, not discretionary. The male complainant's visible injuries, a busted lip and a knot on his head, provided the objective corroboration required to trigger that mandatory arrest authority the moment officers arrived on scene. Ohio Revised Code Section 2919.25 defines a domestic violence victim to include dating partners who have shared a residence even if they do not currently live together full-time.
On scene 1102 Salem on a domestic complaint. Might be a boyfriend, girlfriend. There's somebody over there standing right there. Yeah, these hide back here.
Hold on. So my girlfriend, we drunk a little bit. Okay. And she had her best friend come over. Okay. And something with her best friend, her boyfriend was going on, and my girlfriend didn't like it. So she just started like tripping out about it. On you? About their situation, and she took it on everybody else. And alright. So you guys live together? Nah, I'm over here a lot though. Okay, but you don't live here? No, I don't live here. Kids, they got kids together or anything like that? No. And then she just tried to like fight me. Like earlier she tried to fight me. I kinda like defended myself. Yeah. So like she's like while on the phone with the police department, she was like, "Oh, who do you think they believe? The police? Because I have a busted lip and a knot on my head." Well, I was like, you were like fighting me, like trying to fight me and stuff like that. Okay, start from the beginning. Tell me what happened. We had a few drinks. Okay. Her, me, and her best friend. Okay. And then her best friend's boyfriend came over. Yes. Because they had something going on. My girlfriend didn't like it. And then she was like kind of tripped out about it and took out her anger out on everybody. Okay. Because she's drunk. Yeah. So what's the physical aspect between you and your girlfriend? Oh, she don't stop putting her hands on me. Put her hands on you. Okay. Yeah. Like swinging on you, pulling on you. What on her boyfriend and stuff like that. I got the videos.
What's your name?
You want to press charges?
Is she got something to do with this?
She's the friend. I actually spoke with her earlier. Are you wanting to press charges against her? No, it's just that. I don't know. What are you wanting us to do then? So I'm just trying to get my stuff out there finally. Okay, so you want us to go up there, see if you can get your stuff and be done with it? Without her trying to put her hands on her. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You guys don't live together? No. Do you have a key to get in? I think your boyfriend's holding that door open for me. He what? He's holding that door open. Who's your dog here?
What's your girlfriend?
Do you think she'll pick up to open the door?
She doesn't have a phone.
Thank you. Dayton Police.
Look at my face. Look at hers. Look at hers.
She just wants to get her stuff and leave. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Did you have a complaint?
I need my phone.
Where's your phone?
I don't know. Bye.
Well, I'll tell you what. You know your phone number?
Sometimes.
Well, if you tell me your phone number, I'll try calling it.
937. Oh, no, I found my phone.
You found it?
Yeah.
All right. That's solved. You need that?
What is that?
I don't know. You were looking down.
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Cool.
Is that everything? Who's her? When that happened?
Just now.
Just now? That didn't happen just now.
Just now, yeah.
The female subject initially had the law working in her favor under City of Houston versus Hill, decided by the Supreme Court in 1987. Verbal abuse directed at law enforcement, including profanity, is protected speech under the First Amendment. Officers cannot lawfully arrest someone for saying things that offend them. No matter how provocative the language, speech alone does not constitute a criminal act under clearly established constitutional doctrine. The legal protection evaporated the moment she made physical contact with the officer. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.13, assault is defined as knowingly causing or attempting to cause physical harm to another. Intentional physical contact with a uniformed peace officer satisfies every element of that statute. The First Amendment shield does not extend to physical conduct, only to speech. Once the officer initiated arrest, the subject's physical resistance triggered a second independent charge. Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.33 prohibits recklessly or by force resisting a lawful arrest. The legality of the underlying arrest is the threshold question for this charge. Here, probable cause for assault was established by on-camera physical contact, making the arrest lawful and the resistance criminal.
Y'all play the victim. Y'all play the victim.
Not
You
that.
ain't got. You a weird ass.
Ma'am, please. We don't need that. Do you want to press charges?
Yeah, I do.
Press charges on who?
I want to press charges on you.
Okay.
Stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
Weird ass bitch. You want to be a cop? You ain't gonna do shit.
What's going on?
You trying to be a cop?
Hey.
Look, she's trying to be. Do not push me like that.
Stop.
Do not push me like that, though.
I do. When I'm telling you to stop, you need to stop.
But do not push me like that.
Okay, listen, don't walk up on me.
Do not push me like that.
Okay, so I'm a police officer. You're fucking your mind. You have lost your mind.
Oh yeah, you tripping. You're tripping.
I got handcuffs.
No.
I got cuffs.
No. This police officer is.
That's okay.
No.
Give us
You're
1 second.
tripping.
Okay.
No.
I got cuffs on.
No. He's tripping.
I got cuffs, yeah. I just got locked it.
No. He just pushed me.
I just got locked it.
Why am I getting police?
It's
I don't need to go to jail.
You need to stand
I
up.
don't need to go to jail. I don't need to go to jail. No, he's not pushing me. He just pushed me to the back of the wall. He did not just push me.
Who needs the medic?
I know.
Who called for the medic?
Because of
I know.
Do we need a medic?
Cancel it.
I know.
We do not need a medic. We can cancel him.
Please, Bessie.
Come on.
I need something. You all weird ass. And you won't test me. I'm going to jail because of your weird ass. Okay. No. I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail again. I was in jail for a week. You're a weird ass. Lose my number, all that shit. I swear to God, lose all that shit. You're a weird ass. Kennedy Marie Williams, lose all that shit. I swear to God, leave me the fuck alone.
Why you yelling? You
Bro, this is weird as fuck. This is weird as fuck. I've been in jail for a week now. I'm gonna go to jail for another week. Bro, like this shit weird as fuck. Sarah, do you have my
Where's the stick? Oh.
Bessie? Do you have my phone?
Stop.
Wait, can I?
Come on. Yeah, we got it.
Why am I going to jail for? Oh, you're weird as that's why I'm going to jail. No? That's why.
Okay.
Yep. Why am I going to jail for? Why?
Stop.
Why? No, you're going to ask me. No, you're going to tell me. Why am I going to jail for? Why? Why?
Sawing a police officer.
Why am I going to jail for? Why? Why? Why am I going to jail for? Why am I going to jail for?
This is mine. It don't matter. It don't matter. Hold on. Let me unlock it.
Why am I going to jail for, though? You guys can't even tell me! Why am I going to jail for? I've been to jail for a week. I don't even go, bro. Why am I going to jail for, though?
1, 2, 3.
Slide back. Slide back for me. Slide back.
Come on.
I'm trying! Leave me alone! This nigga hurts! Ouch! This nigga hurts!
Is she good?
Almost.
Do you like
1, 2.
Swing your
Yeah, this is the weakest.
All right. You all right?
The officer's use of force during handcuffing is governed by Graham versus Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989. That decision established the objective reasonableness standard for all force-related claims arising from arrest. Graham identifies 3 controlling factors: the severity of the crime, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat, and whether the suspect is actively resisting. All 3 factors supported the force applied here. Assault is a first-degree misdemeanor. The subject had already made physical contact with an officer, and she was actively resisting handcuffing at the moment of restraint. Handcuffs and physical control technique represent the lower end of the use of force continuum, entirely proportional. The subject's repeated demand to know why she was being arrested implicates a Fourth Amendment procedural right. Detainees have the right to be informed of the basis for their arrest, but the timing of that explanation is subject to the totality of circumstances, including active resistance and officer safety. Her refusal to identify herself added a 4th charge. Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.29 requires any person who is lawfully detained to disclose their name upon request. Refusal is a 4th-degree misdemeanor, 30 days and $250. A critical analytical point: the subject's belief that she was the actual victim does not provide a legal defense to resisting arrest or failure to identify. The appropriate forum for contesting a wrongful arrest is a court of law, not the scene of the incident. Ohio law enforcement operates under a preferred arrest policy in domestic violence calls. When probable cause exists and visible injury is documented, officers identify the primary aggressor. Key factors include injury severity, prior history, and which party presents the ongoing threat. The dual aggressor analysis resolved in favor of the male complainant. His visible injuries, consistent account, and non-escalating on-scene conduct distinguished him from the primary aggressor regardless of what occurred. Before officers arrived,
How?
Yeah.
You good?
Yes, of course I did.
So, you call the police report number?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't, please. Can you
Okay, I'll follow
stop?
you down. Yeah,
84.
I'll follow you down.
Why? Why?
84.
Why?
We're just going? Alright.
Can you please tell me why?
I do not know. I just got here.
That's what I'm saying. Like, why am I going to jail for? Oh, has a broken. Who has a bruised lip? Who has a bruised? Like, did they give me some shoes? Cause I knew they was like, oh yeah, you need some shoes. They didn't give me no shoes.
I don't know. You didn't have shoes when I saw you.
Wanna go the fuck home? Ah! I didn't do shit, bro. This wanna beat on me, and I'm going to jail for what? Because she wanna beat on me? You're weird as fuck. You're a weird.
Yes. Arrival.
You're right. Now I stand up. You're racist.
Not cooperative, no.
No, you wanna go to bitch get
Yeah.
beat on. Shut the fuck up. Let a bitch get beat on.
Yeah, they're with me.
Shut the fuck up. I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I like to run.
You alright?
Yeah, I can't give you anything, did she? Information?
Really new racial slurs.
New ones?
I mean, new. They're old, but they're in new order.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay.
She said, she did say, bring it on, I like it rough, just now. She said, let's go. She said,
Oh,
bring it on, I like it rough. So, she's right here. Last things she said to me was, bring it on, I like it rough.
Oh, okay. What's she arrested for?
Assault on you guys, right?
She grabbed my arm. Let's see.
Yeah. She got feisty.
Hey.
I don't give a Oh, no! Look at my face! No, somebody, it's real cute! No, don't touch me.
Don't even think about picking me. I ain't playing around with you. Come on. You're either gonna come out or we're gonna pull you out. So you can walk or not.
It's real cute. How y'all let the abuser live in my house to this day.
We weren't there.
No, it don't matter.
we just
No,
need to
we
cooperate.
had for that.
Let's go.
You got the right one.
Yeah, we're here. Taser cartridges out. Taser. Someone got
This wasn't improvised. Let's examine what the law authorizes and what it doesn't. Now to the grades. The arresting officer receives a B+. The initial probable cause foundation was properly established through complainant interview and direct injury observation. Verbal de-escalation was attempted multiple times before physical restraint consistent with Ohio peace officer training requirements. The officer's restraint under sustained verbal abuse, including racially charged language, reflects both constitutional understanding and professional discipline. A post-arrest welfare check was conducted and captured on camera, establishing a documented baseline of the subject's physical condition. The grade falls short of an A because the subject's repeated requests for an arrest explanation received minimal on-camera response. A brief articulation of the arrest basis, even a single sentence, would have satisfied the Fourth Amendment procedural requirement more cleanly and strengthened the evidentiary record. The female subject receives a D. She began this encounter with constitutional protection on her side. Verbal aggression directed at officers is First Amendment protected speech under clearly established Supreme Court doctrine. She systematically destroyed that protection through a sequence of escalating decisions. Physical contact with an officer converted protected speech into a criminal assault. Resistance to handcuffing added a resisting arrest charge. Continued interference added obstruction. Refusal to identify added a fourth count. Each charge was self-generated and each was avoidable. The grade is not a D because of her speech. It is a D because she had every legal tool available to protect herself: the right to remain silent, the right to comply and contest the arrest in court, the right to file a complaint, and chose none of them. The male complainant receives a B. His proactive cooperation and clear account of events provided the evidentiary foundation that justified this arrest. Visible injuries corroborated his statement and satisfied the probable cause threshold under Ohio's mandatory arrest statute. He loses points for a legally ambiguous statement describing himself as having kind of defended himself. In Ohio, self-defense in a domestic context can complicate a primary aggressor determination. A more precise account of the defensive conduct would have strengthened the legal record considerably. Lessons from this incident. First, protected speech has a hard boundary at physical conduct. The First Amendment is a powerful shield until the moment a hand is raised. Understanding that boundary in real time is not just legally important. It is the difference between a dispute and a criminal record. Second, in Ohio, a domestic violence arrest is not a negotiation. When probable cause exists and visible injury is documented, the officer's discretion is removed by statute. Attempting to argue, resist, or obstruct at the scene does not change the outcome, it compounds it. Third, the right to contest an arrest belongs to the courtroom, not the scene. Every charge filed after the initial assault was a direct result of resisting a process that, lawful or not, could only be undone through legal proceedings, never through physical confrontation. Fourth, officers who maintain composure under verbal abuse close the door on misconduct claims. Retaliating even verbally gives opposing counsel exactly what they need. Silence and professionalism are tactical assets. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.